through a cemetery.
Oh, this is good.
Sorry, people. I'm sorry.
Woohoo!
Let's get it.
It's amazing. I would film, but I can't. Oh, whoa, I can.
I'm filming now, dang. Sorry, man.
Can we get out of the car or?
Go ahead.
Woo! Get it, we're getting out of the car.
I'm definitely putting on shoes to get out of the car, though. Here, because you never know. I'm so. Can you unlock the? Oh no.
Where's the fireworks? Come on, go.
Okay, so oh my God, it's loud.
Everybody,
Oh,
look
God.
at that. Yo, everybody. We just got out of the car. Oh wait,
I'm praying I don't drop my
I
iPad
wasn't
right
even
now.
filming, y'all. I wasn't even filming.
I'm praying I don't drop my iPad because
There's fireworks out. We just drive to the cemetery to see this. I bet they don't respect us right now.
yeah, I'm
We're going to
sorry.
get eaten alive. This is the only thing I can film, so I'm probably going to use like CapCut to edit it and stuff. Okay, I'm waiting until there's the next firework thing.
Hopefully
Come on,
it's not
everybody.
done.
I just want to sit down and like, you know.
Why is my iPad so blurry?
I don't know why you're at. You have to let it like focus.
Yeah. Yours is the same.
Probably because we're like, there's a bunch of flashing lights. Okay, hello, is this done? Are we done?
I'm not gonna stop it yet.
Yeah, just in case. There might, okay. It might not be the finale.
The finales are normally like a bunch of fireworks.
Yeah,
at a
it's
time.
like,
Oh, there we go.
there we go. Woo! Woo-hoo!
Oh yeah, sorry. This is definitely a trigger warning.
You're gonna die!
Trigger warning, just so you guys know.
This is so the finale, yo. Woo-hoo! Woo!
I can't even whistle that loud. It's so pretty. I wish my iPad would focus, but it won't.
Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! The best! Woo! Woo-hoo!
Okay, I'm gonna
Try
try
and
to
get
say it
some
when there's no really big ones, but this is definitely a trigger
Yeah.
warning. So.
Woo! Gosh, I'm using CapCut to edit this. Well, not to
Same.
edit this, but to post this on TikTok. It's like, ah! Are you okay?
I
She
almost
almost
fell.
fell. She just got her iPad repaired today.
And I
Not?
almost fell with it in my hands. So.
I literally broke open my elbow, and my elbow's just fine. My elbow's just fine. Her iPad just took a broke.
It would like
over. I
crack.
think we're done.
But I was so surprised for the fact that there was already a crack in my screen, which is on L. But I'm so surprised because it was the only spot that had no breaking in it.
And guess what? Okay, so I think that's the finale.
I'm not sure if it's the finale yet, but
Yeah.
What
I
is-
just got my second piercing today on my ear. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, I think people are driving in, so I think there's more.
probably.
That might have been the... What are you peeling off? She's peeling off stuff.
There's something on my iPad that's like sticky.
It's probably the number code that they need.
Yeah, I don't want it though.
Y'all.
There's also something on my screen, plus there's like a plastic wrap, but I don't really want to take it off.
I think the dad's going to kill me. Come up and lie and kill me.
Holy, I'm stuck to my iPad. Okay, I'm good,
How are you stuck to your
Because
iPad?
there's, touch it right here.
Oh yeah.
There's stickiness there.
There's stickiness. Okay. Okay. I think that's it.
We'll just watch, just in
Yeah,
case.
just in case. I'm still uploading this to YouTube and TikTok. I think it's done. A lot of people are coming in and coming out. Oh, that person's on a bike.
If we had our penny boards, we could have just penny boarded here.
Oh my god, we
probably.
could.
But we don't have our penny boards, I don't think.
They're at home.
Yeah.
Actually,
So we're pretty sure it's over. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Peace out. Okay, let me just get back in the car.
Hola. Bye. And thank you.